Have you ever wanted to peek at your credit score, but worried about it hurting your chances of getting a loan later? Let's face it, credit scores can feel like a mysterious beast. You know it's important, but the whole system can be shrouded in confusion. So, imagine this, you find a service that offers free credit score monitoring. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's where Borrowell comes in. But before you jump in, there's one crucial question. Does checking your credit score with Borrowell affect your credit score? In simpler terms, is Borrowell a hard check? This video will answer that question definitively and also shed some light on the whole concept of soft checks versus hard checks. Because hey, financial literacy is empowering and navigating the credit world shouldn't feel scary. So, grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive into the world of credit inquiries. Firstly, let's understand why your credit score matters. It's basically a report card for your borrowing habits. Lenders use it to assess your creditworthiness, meaning how likely you are to repay a loan. A good score translates to better interest rates and loan options, while a bad score can make borrowing difficult and expensive. Now, keeping an eye on your credit score is like monitoring your financial health. You want to catch errors or suspicious activity early on. This is where Borrowell steps in. They offer free credit score monitoring and reports. But here's the key. Checking your credit score with Borrowell is a soft check. Let's unpack that. There are two types of credit inquiries, soft checks and hard checks. Soft checks are like gentle taps on the door. They give you a glimpse of your credit information without leaving a permanent mark. When you check your score with Borrowell, or even request your free credit report directly from a bureau, that's a soft check. However, hard checks are a different story. These are like ringing the doorbell and announcing your presence. Hard checks happen when you formally apply for credit, like a loan or a credit card. These inquiries stay on your credit report for a while, usually 2 years, and can slightly lower your score. The reason multiple hard checks can affect your score is because lenders see them as a sign you might be applying for a lot of credit at once, which could be a risk factor. So, here's the good news. Using Borrowell for credit score monitoring won't trigger a hard check, keeping your score squeaky clean. You can check your score as often as you like without any negative impact. Now, this might make you wonder, why would Borrowell offer this service for free? There are a couple of reasons. Firstly, Borrowell wants to establish themselves as a trusted resource for credit information. They figure if you get comfortable using their platform for free, you might be more likely to explore their other credit-related products and services in the future. It's a bit like a gym offering a free trial membership. They know if you get hooked on the benefits, you're more likely to sign up for a full membership later. Here's the bottom line. Borrowell is a legitimate service, and checking your credit score with them won't hurt your chances of getting a loan in the future. Of course, it's always a good idea to be mindful of your overall credit health. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization ratio low, meaning don't max out your credit cards, and avoid applying for too much credit at once. By following these simple steps and taking advantage of resources like Borrowell for soft credit checks, you can build and maintain a strong credit score, opening doors to better financial opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.